Got a cut? Sprained your ankle? Here's why your body reacts the way it does. Inflammation is your body's way of saying, hey, we need to fix this. Think of it as an alarm system. When you get injured or infected, your immune system sends out white blood cells to the rescue. These cells rush to the site and release chemicals. This causes redness, heat, swelling, and pain. It's like a superhero squad fighting off invaders and starting the healing process. But watch out. If inflammation sticks around too long, it can cause trouble. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. So, it's a balance enough to protect and heal, but not too much to harm. And there you have it. Your body's fiery defense mechanism explained in just a minute. Stay curious, stay healthy, subscribe for more.